You already know the deal. Same gas station every time. Pump number one. This is just my spot. You know, this is my spot. Well, someone said, oh yeah, it wrote mute now. Oh, that's amazing. So last time I was here, I was wondering if you could mute this, and somebody actually wrote mute on the same pump. That's hilarious.
No, yeah.
Oh, I love that. All right, so you guys know, I've been coming to this gas station for quite a while now, but never actually been inside. Let me just show you. Bro, if you know the peach tea, but the snowberry, hardly anyone carries this flavor, but they got it, so I bought a few of those. And they also have my favorite Minute Maid tropical blend. Like, this place has the drinks. You know, like, not all places have like the exact flavor you want. This place has all the flavors, and it's making my day really good. What's going on, you guys? Welcome to today's video. It's currently Friday. We have Ace Cafe later tonight. I'm actually heading down a couple hours early. One, to hang out with some friends, and two, to miss all of the wonderful afternoon I-4 traffic. So hopefully me leaving 2 hours prior to that 4 o'clock mark will be in much better shape. But also today is our first longer-ish drive with the Wagon Bean bag, and so far the car rides like incredibly smooth. There's no steering wheel shake, there's no weird clunks, no weird noises. The car feels super solid. I currently have the car sitting at the exact same height as it was in the KW. That way the car alignment wise is happy and good to go. But other than that, I mean, this thing tracked perfectly straight. Like that, there's no steering wheel shake. The car rides so incredibly smooth. It's very comfy. I have no complaints. As you can hear, I have no radio on. It's just silent in the car. I always like to drive the car in complete silence after I do like engine work or suspension work. That way you can hear if anything's going wrong. But thankfully, I've been on the road for about 30 minutes so far, and it's just been smooth sailing. Not that I don't want to jinx myself, but it's going well so far. All right, well, about an hour and a half later, our first drive with the Wagon being bagged went perfectly. Car rode super smooth the entire way. This is our current ride height. Like I said, it's about the exact same height as it was in the KWs, so nothing really new there. But no clunks, no rattles, nothing weird. Car did great the entire way here, which is sick. So, job well done, I must say. Look at this thing. V10 TDI, the best badging you could ever see on a Touareg. I've shown Christina's, I think her R32 before, and also her Golf R, her Spectrum one, but this is her V10 TDI Touareg, and this thing is so cool. I'd absolutely love to have one of these things. Look at this. Just an absolute tank that will pull everything, all of the torque. Making moves to Ace Cafe. It's cool because Christina and Prezi live like 5 minutes away, so it's like the perfect place to chill and then head over to the meet. Officially made it, no issues, and now we do the thing. Then we take this and we slap a plate on like so, and then we go to the back and we remove. Magnetic plates are just the best thing. We stand back, we get a full look. Woo-hoo-hoo. There's a big smile on my face. I'm so happy with how far the Wagon's come. Man, just big old smile on my face. Really, really happy with this car. I will say, as much as I absolutely love this, I still think we need a front lip. The Cooper R rep one I got just didn't work out. The fitment wise was like all wrong, but I need some sort of front lip just to square this out just a little bit, and then we'll be perfect. The rest of the car is good to go, but we need a little bit more down at the bottom. I'm not sure what I'm gonna use for it, but we gotta figure something out. Other than that, the car is sick. Everything is good to go, but we need a little bit more in the front. Well, this thing is a wild color. A little Mark IV action with the Magic colors, 17-inch Ariettas. I think this car is actually uni black. It's rare to see one that's not Black Magic Pearl, but this one's actually uni black. I think it's 180. Yeah, there's a boost gauge in there. Definitely 180. Cool little car. Look, we have all the TTRSs. We have 1, 2, and 3. You can get a black one, you can get a red one, you can get one that's not painted. Whatever you want. I will never not show off this Tiguan. Just this thing being bagged on these wheels, it's such a perfect combo. Oh, the bus is beautiful. This patina looks almost fake. It almost looks wrapped. Is it wrapped? I have to ask the owner. Oh, and it's bagged. So cool. I have to ask, is it wrapped or is it actual patina?
No, that's original patina.
It looks like so good. It looks almost fake.
They got clear on it, flat clear.
A flat clear, okay. But it looks so like perfect, it almost looks not real. What a cool bus. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but this looks like, I don't know, it looks so good, it looks like it's not. Like this looks almost like it's a graphic, but it's not. He said it has flat clear. I mean, it looks awesome, no disrespect. It just looks like so good. It's hard to believe it's real. Also, Greg, you got a bus. Where's your bus, Greg? Hear it. I'm pretty sure Tony got a new exhaust on his Porsche. It sounds gnarly now. Oh yeah, I love this car so much. You got a new exhaust? Oh, I can hear it. I heard you on the whole street, dude. It sounds good. Woohoo! I love that car so much. Down it goes, bag all the cars. Oh, I just look at this thing. It's so good. Yo, this thing sounds phenomenal. I heard you on the street over there and I was like, oh, he definitely got an exhaust on. This thing sounds perfect. Perfect. 3 VR, Mark 4 VR. Danny got himself a new car, big ol' Audi A8 with the V8 and the all-wheel drive, and you put the good old Bentley wheels on it, lowered it down. This thing is sick. Leather and wood interior. Cool car. It's kind of dark, but Ed brought the Mark III out. Always love seeing this car.
I gotta do the Santa Claus.
I want a VR6T. Yo, this might be the favorite of the night. Mark I Rabbit, in kind of a cream color, but what's under the hood's the best part. Love it. Supercharged 12 valve with the Mark I on the BBSs.
Well, I think you'd have gave that BMW the
I think this might be the favorite tonight. Oh, this thing is too clean. All the trim, super nice shape. Yep, this might be the favorite for the night. Supercharged VR6 Mark I BBS wheels. I mean, there's not much more you need. This checks all the boxes. You know, between the supercharged VR and both of these big turbo VRs, that's one of the list items for the wagon. I want to supercharge the wagon just to give it a little bit more power because it's a bigger car, it weighs a lot, so an extra 100 wheel sitting right there would be perfect. Hey buddy. Oh, the favorite of the night. I think it sounds so good. I want to hear him pull out. Love the car, man.
That is clean.
Do it, do it, do it, do it. Do it, do it, do it. I need a supercharged VR6 stat. So we've made it to my exit. There's no one in front of me. Today's gonna be the day. I get a nice down to the second full rip through the little tunnel section with no one in my way. Hopefully. All right, let's go. Windows down. All right. Come on, baby. No one in front of me, no light. Ooh, my light's even green. Come on, all right. Here, second, tight turn. Oh, and another green light. Okay, before going to jail. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Oh, I love that section. You come off 95, down to the second, rip into the tunnel, and I got both green lights and another green light. Yes, that was it. Home. gonna end this one off here. Another absolutely great time at Ace Cafe. All the homies, always a bunch of cool cars that come out, and the wagon did phenomenal. First long drive overall, being bagged, wheel loss, no pressure the entire time. The car cruises so smooth, handles bumps well. There's no weird noises at all. Overall, very, very happy with how this car's turned out. So, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Do not forget, be thankful for every single day. See you guys next time. Peace.